Hi everyone, welcome to Hojinx Motors Garage, the home of affordable quality transformations. Today, we are going to repair and respray a Nissan Tiida. Twende kazi. First, we remove the car's fixtures and repair the dents. Thereafter, paint is scraped off. Filler is lightly applied on the scraped surfaces and sanded down to smoothness. The vehicle is then masked and primer is sprayed. Thereafter, the undercoat and final paint coat is sprayed. Once the paint has completely dried, buffing is done. Thanks for watching. See you on the next project.